Greetings, Nina Isilo, Nina Mandla. This is a response on the current speculation about His Majesty's health. It reads as follows. His Majesty King Mrs. Asidunguzeli, King of the Zulu Nation, wishes to express on behalf of the entire Zulu Nation deep condolences on the untimely death of His Majesty's Induna, Mr. Douglas Xaba, who have served the crown diligently for many years, and His Majesty had complete confidence in his abilities. His Majesty laments with the entire Zulu Nation and Xaba family, including his 2 wives and children. To the Xaba family, sithi to kononkosi kulesi sikhathi esibhekene naso. Furthermore, His Majesty wishes once again to reassure the nation that he remained in perfect health and is not currently admitted at any hospital. His Majesty frequently pays courtesy visits to Eswatini to go see his uncle, King Mswati III, who is his maternal uncle. The office of the king felt it prudent that during this visit, the king should undergo a thorough medical examination while there. This was informed by the context of our current times of pandemics, such as COVID-19 and other dangerous ailments. His Majesty's office decided to err on the side of caution and ensure that all possible impediments were tested in order to mitigate against any untimely eventuality given the reports of Mr. Xaba's sudden passing. It appears that there is an orchestrated agenda and a desperate narrative to communicate defamatory and baseless claims of His Majesty's ill health. This is not the first occasion such tactics have been mobilized. Similar activities were done during His Majesty's recent visit to Eswatini. The motives are unclear, and at this stage, however, the King remains cognizant that the political environment in this country, in South Africa, is ripe due to the approaching cycle of political elections. It therefore seems the intention is to create public perception that His Majesty the King is unwell and unfit. Untimely, this creates unnecessary panic and perception of the instability in the royal crown. Finally, His Majesty wishes to urge the nation, especially the media fraternity, to refrain henceforth from creating unnecessary panic and to verify the authenticity of the information relating to the King's well-being through the official communications department of His Majesty. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much, Nina Isilo, for the indlebe yenu.